Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to contact HelloFresh. So HelloFresh, it's a great company, and in case there's anything wrong with your order, like maybe there's perhaps missing ingredients, which by the way, has never happened to me before in my months of using HelloFresh, what you want to do is first log on to HelloFresh, and then go ahead and scroll down, and then where it says contact us, you want to click on Help Center and FAQ. Now you want to go ahead and let that load. Now here you can see all the action buttons to kind of help you with miscellaneous support, but also you can actually type in your inquiry right here. And again, you have a lot of categories, but if you don't find the information that you're looking for, you can click on this contact us button afterwards. And now you have 3 different ways to actually reach out to HelloFresh. You can use their chat system, which is pretty robust and they respond pretty quickly. You can call them as well, or you can report an ingredient or a recipe area. So this is like a form that you fill out. But again, it's a very easy way to actually contact HelloFresh, and they do a great job as far as customer support goes. I've contacted them a few times for not receiving credit or a missing ingredient or something. But with that though, this is how you contact HelloFresh.